can bananas replace eggs in pancakes? Well, if you're looking for an easy banana pancake recipe without eggs and baking powder soda, Ravneet Bhalla presents one of the easiest eggless pancake recipes here. It's easy, it's healthy, and it's yummy. The eggless pancake with banana and semolina or suji is a soft and delicious healthy snack for kids. No worries if you're not a kid. You may still bite into these delicious sweet pancakes made on an iron skillet. This easy recipe of no egg banana pancake, you need 2 bananas and 2 tablespoons of cashews. Blend together with 1/4 cup milk, green cardamom, and 2 tablespoons of jaggery. You may take jaggery powder or whole jaggery. And this amount of jaggery is for kids. You may reduce the amount of sweetener if you want. My mother-in-law makes these pancakes without any sweetener. Once the ingredients look pureed, stir in semolina 1/4 cup. I forgot to add vanilla before, so if your kids love vanilla pancakes, please add organic vanilla powder. Here, please avoid using vanilla essence at all costs, as it is a chemical without any natural vanilla. Vanilla powder is expensive and so is vanilla extract, but there is a guarantee of purity, so the choice is yours. I do not recommend buying any chemical essence ever. Now give the ingredients a good mix once again. Blending at this stage is crucial. This will help give your banana pancakes without baking powder or soda or egg a fluffy texture. But if you wish, please go ahead and add 1/8 teaspoon of baking powder to the batter and make pancakes on tawa or bake in an air fryer. I have followed both, made pancakes on tawa and baked them in air fryer. For making egg-free pancakes on an iron skillet, grease tawa with oil or ghee. Make sure it is not too hot when you pour the batter. Pour a spoonful and see the bubbles. Cover and cook on low flame. Flip side after 1 minute. Then cook the bottom side for a few minutes until done. You may flip the side once again to cook the lower end. Your delicious soft pancake is ready to be relished. Meanwhile, you can preheat air fryer to 160 degrees Celsius for 5 minutes. Also place the baking tray when you preheat the air fryer. We want the tray to be hot when we drop the batter onto it. Grease the baking tray and pour small ladles of the pancake batter. Bake banana pancakes without egg for 7 to 10 minutes at 160 degrees Celsius. Timing depends on your appliance. Enjoy with a drizzle of homemade golden syrup with jaggery and sprinkle a few cashews on top of it. Mind it, this is no usual jaggery syrup, it's a burst of flavor. Ask me how to make golden syrup at home. It's super yum stuff that can play many roles in your culinary world, and the recipe is already on the channel. I hope you enjoyed making delicious banana pancake recipe without egg and baking powder. Write to me about your experience. Enjoy healthy eating, live and stay healthy, stay blessed, and share the healthy banana pancake recipe with friends and family to spread the word about health and healthy living. Stay safe, stay blessed, take care until we meet next. Bye bye, see you soon.